Aloha everybody, thanks for joining us here on this drive through Waikiki. We are leaving the Kahanamoku Lagoon right now, or the Hilton Hawaiian Village Lagoon. And we're going to head up to Ala Moana Boulevard and then onto Kalia Road. We are on Holomoana Street right now, and to the left of us is the Ala Wai Boat Harbor. The parking on the right is free, but up to only 6 hours. And the parking you see coming up on the left is paid parking. Directly in front of us is the Ilikai Hotel. That ramp you see going up on the right leads to it. And two buildings on the right side, I believe, is part of the Hilton Hawaiian Village. We are now leaving Holomoana Street and turning onto Hobron Lane. In front of us is Ala Moana Boulevard, and across Ala Moana Boulevard on the right is Discovery Bay Center. This is Ala Moana Boulevard that we're on now. And that building you see on the right there, that's the Ilikai, and this is the front entrance. On the right side is Kahanamoku Street, and that would take you back to where we started our drive. We are now leaving Ala Moana Boulevard and turning on to Kalia Road. This road here on the right side is called Rainbow Drive and takes you straight into the Hilton Hawaiian Village. On the left is the Halikoa Hotel parking lot. On the right is Pa'oa Place. This next right turn is the driveway to the Halikoa Hotel, and the road to the left is Maluhia Road, which will take you to the Halikoa Hotel parking lot. This park on the left is called Ainahao Triangle, which I believe is part of Fort DeRussy Park. And on the right is Fort DeRussy Beach Park. On the right side here coming up is the United States Hawaii Army Museum. It's worth visiting and it's completely free. We're going to be making this left turn onto Saratoga Road, but if we went straight on Kalia Road, you would see the Outrigger Reef and also the Halekulani on the right sides. So we are now on Saratoga Road. On the left is a Biki bike rack, which is a popular way to get around. And then you see the metered parking there on the left. That is 25 cents per 5 minutes. Coming up here on the left is the Waikiki United States Post Office or Postal Service. And it also has a paid parking lot there also. Now the right here in the green building is Eggs and Things. Oh, the breakfast there is so good. We're leaving Saratoga Road and now on Kalakaua Avenue. On the right side here is Hemptuary, Hawaii, for anyone who needs CBD or hemp products. That road on the right is Beach Walk. That is a new location for a Burger King right there on the left. It's always important to know where your Burger Kings and McDonald's are in case you have a child who is a picky eater. On the right side is Long's Drugs, also known as CVS. This is Lewis Street. Royal Hawaiian Center starts here on the right side, and on the left is Tea Galleria, also known as Duty Free Shops. It's boarded up, it's still closed during this video, but it's probably going to open sometime soon. This is Royal Hawaiian Avenue. If you turn right here, you will go to the Royal Hawaiian Hotel and Sheraton Waikiki. On the left is Waikiki Shopping Plaza, and Waikiki Yokocho is the food court underneath it. This is Seaside Avenue going up on the left. On the left here is the Waikiki Beachcomber. Cheesecake Factory is here on the right side, and that is where the end of Royal Hawaiian Center is. On the left is the International Marketplace, and on the right is the Outrigger Waikiki, which has Blue Note Hawaii and Duke's Waikiki. On the right side here is the Moana Surf Rider, and on the left is the Princess Kaiolani behind these shops. This left turn is Kaiolani Avenue and will take you to the Sheraton Princess Kaiolani Hotel. The Waikiki Police Station is there on the right side, and the Hyatt Regency Waikiki Beach Resort and Spa is on the left. The statue you see on the right is the Duke Pa'o Kahanamoku statue. Here is Uluniu Avenue. On the right side next to that banyan tree is the Kūhiō Hula Mound. And on the left side here is Eggs and Things, and right after that is McDonald's. This is Liliuokalani Avenue. The Alohilani Resort Waikiki Beach is also on that road. And this road here on the left is Kealohilani Avenue. This is Ohua Avenue here. On the left here is the Marriott Resort and Spa. And this is Pa'okalani Avenue with Aston Waikiki Beach there on the left. We're going to be making this left turn onto Kapahulu Avenue, but if we continued on straight, you'd see the Kapilani Park. If you go to the left, that would be Montserrat Avenue with a bunch of free parking, and on the right would continue on to Waikiki Aquarium. If you look to the left here, that is the Park Shore Waikiki, and on the right side is the Honolulu Zoo. On the left is the Waikiki Grand Hotel, and then back on the right is the Honolulu Zoo Pay parking lot. And on the left is Lemon Road. And then you have the Queen Kapiolani Hotel. And this on the left is Cartwright Road. And also on the left is the newest Denny's in Waikiki. And this is on Kūhiō Avenue, which is the road we're stopped at. In the back of the Denny's, there's a small little parking lot. It's free if you're going to Denny's. To the left is President Thomas Jefferson Elementary School. Up ahead, we're going to be making a left turn onto Ala Wai Boulevard, but if we continue up Kapahulu Avenue, you find a whole lot of different eating places like Rainbow Drive-In, there's a Chinese restaurant, there's some pizza places, sushi, like Genki Sushi, Safeway, there's Ono Hawaiian Foods and Haile's Hawaiian Foods. There's also some ramen shops, and at the very end you're gonna find Leonard's Bakery for your malasadas. This is Paki Avenue with the Waikiki fire station on the right side, and this is Ala Wai Boulevard that we're turning onto. You can see the Waikiki Kapahulu Public Library there on the right side. Here's where the Ala Wai Canal starts, there you can see on the right. And on the left, this is Ainakea Way. This is Vainani Way, or you can say Wainani Way. It's the same thing like saying Hawaii or Hawaii. This is Pa'okalani Avenue. And this is Ohua Avenue. Liliokalani Avenue. Ka'iolani Avenue. Kanekapole Street. This is Valina Street or Walina Street, and if you look across on the right side of the Ala Wai Canal, that's the Ala Wai Golf Course. And this street is Nahua Street. And this is Nohonani Street. This is Seaside Avenue. Here's Lewis Street. This is Kaiolu Street. And this is Launiu Street. This is Kalaimoku Street we're passing, and we're going to be leaving Ala Wai Boulevard and turning left here onto ʻOlohana Street. Club Wyndham Royal Garden at Waikiki is here on the right. The Holiday Inn Express Waikiki is here on the right. This is Kūhiō Avenue, and we're going to be making a left turn onto here. Word of caution, whether you're walking in Waikiki or driving, show aloha to everybody even if they're doing something they're not supposed to be doing, like crossing the street when they shouldn't be. Here's Kalaimoku Street again. On the right is the Ritz-Carlton Residence Waikiki Beach, and on the left is Launiu Street. And this is Kaiolu Street. This is Lewis Street, and Courtyard by Marriott is there on the left. And the Waikiki Malia by Outrigger is there on the right.
Everybody dance, everybody sing, everybody.
This is Royal Hawaiian Avenue, and topped Waikiki is right there on the right for some good Korean food. On the left there you have the Royal Kuhio, and we just passed McDonald's there on the right for picky eating children like Austin. This is Seaside Avenue. Ice Monster is there on the right for some huge shaved ice with some toppings, so good. On the left is Nohonani Street, and on the right is Duke's Lane. Paia Fish Market is there on the right, and then across on the left is Marukami Udon, and behind that is Ebinomi, and then next to Ebinomi is Matcha Stand Michael, and then up ahead is Nahua Avenue, and on the corner of Nahua Avenue here in the red umbrellas is Surf and Turf Tacos, and across the street on the right is International Marketplace. The Hilton Garden Inn is there on the left. On the right is the entrance to the parking lot for the International Marketplace, and on the left is Valina Street. And up ahead, past Valina Street, is the old site of the food pantry, which was there for almost 60 years. But now they're constructing a 455-unit apartment tower called Lilia Waikiki. And on the first two floors will be the Market of Waikiki, which is replacing the old food pantry. But it's the same owner as the food pantry and Foodland. The Ohana East Hotel is to the right of us, and in front of us is Kanikapole Street. If you look to your right, you can see the statue of Princess Kaiʻiolani in that triangle park. And the street right here is Kaiʻiolani Avenue. On the right side, you will see the Aqua Bamboo Hotel. The Pacific Monarch is there on the right, and this street is Uluniu Street. That pink building is the Royal Grove Hotel with Roughage Natural Foods there if you need some vegan options. On the left there is Hula Hot Dog and Kapuni Street. This next street is Liliokalani Avenue, and then on the left is the Hilton Waikiki, and on the right is the Alohilani Resort, which used to be the Pacific Beach Hotel. We are passing Kealohilani Avenue on the right. This is Ohua Avenue with the Marriott Resort and Spa on the right, and the Aston Banyan Waikiki on the left. This is Pauokalani Street, and here on the right is the Hyatt Place Waikiki Beach. On the left again, we have President Thomas Jefferson Elementary School, and up ahead will be Kapahulu Avenue, and on the right will be Denny's. So big mahalo to everybody for choosing PhotoLukeHawaii. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please subscribe and click that bell so you can get a notification every time we post a new video. If you want to help us out a little bit more, you can join the PhotoLukeHawaii team on Patreon. That link is right there below. Or you can contribute to us using this PayPal link. If you like the music you've been hearing today, don't forget to check out lonomusic.com and show him some aloha and maybe buy an album today. Aloha!